In this short tutorial, we'll quickly show you how to add extensions in Google Chrome. As always, we'll walk you through the process as we are doing it live on our laptop. There's literally thousands of extensions available. If you have one in mind, then great. If not, once you find one that interests you, you'll know exactly how to install it. Open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed in. Click the three dots in the top right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, hover on Extensions, then select Visit Chrome Web Store. If you know the name of the extension, you can type it in the search bar. If not, just scroll down to browse some of the extensions that are available. For this tutorial, I will select the ChatGPT extension and install it. Once selected, click the blue Add to Chrome button. The extension will now be installed to your Google Chrome. If you click on the extension icon at the top, you will see that it has been added. Also, if you click on the three dots again, and scroll down to Extensions, you can click on the list to see all the extensions that are currently added to your Chrome. Here, you can also remove them, if you so wish.